Hi! After our video introducing SAP Leonardo and IoT, I suggest we now take a look at machine learning. It is one of the most common applications of artificial intelligence used in management systems. Within a SAP Leonardo setting, machine learning is a service that allows a system to deduct management rules to then have them evolve in an autonomous manner based on events. Until now, analysts were configuring those business rules themselves. Consequently, those rules remain static. They were manually defined from the organization's data and process history. However, today such a system is able to work on its own. It will learn by analyzing your daily activities and then progressively determine the optimal way of working. It will even be able to accomplish repetitive tasks for you. Machine learning is a little bit like granting a sixth sense to your application. Let's take another look at our ice cream factory example. SAP Leonardo's machine learning service analyzes my habits in terms of replenishment and inventory management. In time and according to my activity, it improves its recommendations and triggers the replenishment at the right time and in the appropriate quantity. In our case, it even takes into account the seasonality of sales to optimize our inventory management. This technological innovation is now made accessible thanks to the reduced cost of information storage and to the power of available calculations. You should also take into account that algorithms used by machine learning are now ready for use. They cover 95% of the needs. No need for data scientists to model this service. It is groundbreaking. Easy to implement and affordable, it's even integrated in some ERPs such as SAP as well as in many applications. Example, finance, automation of invoice reconciliation. Procurement, optimization of procurement process. Human resources, matching a job description to a candidate profile. In conclusion, machine learning has many possibilities and allows me to reduce the amount of non-value add tasks, optimize business processes, and make my organization more agile. In coming videos, I will tell you more about other components comprised in SAP Leonardo.